How to merge videos on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. On this page, you can view all your projects on iMovie. Then, tap on the movie option at the bottom. You can make a movie from scratch using media from photos and your camera. Once you're here, select the videos you want to merge and then tap on Create Movie below. You can now edit and merge the videos using the edit options below. After that, tap on Done at the top left corner. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the share icon. Select Save or Share Video to download this video, send to family and friends, or post on social media. Following these steps, you can easily merge videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.